This is the box containing 4 G Corometrics Nautilus Toco Transducer received from a hospital located at the West Coast. Let's take out the transducers. This is a 100% G Corometrics transducer, never repaired before. As you see, the top case is G Corometrics, cable connector is from G. It has a G logo. The serial number on this transducer, G factory number K12UP9808P, model 2264LAX, 100% original transducer, never tried to repair before. There are other 3 transducers. They are repaired by different companies, at least 2 different companies. It appears as it has non-OEM or non-G labels on them. The top case is original from G. The connector, this particular one is rubber boot is original. There is a black ring which is different as compared to original one. There is no G logo or Corometrics logo. The inner part of the connector, white portion, which is a pin insert, in this case is molded one. The pins are permanently molded, whereas the original has spring loaded pins. So deceiving look, though they are non-OEM. Another one again repaired with non-OEM parts, cable, connector. The inside PCB is also non-OEM. We opened one of these and took out the PCBs, which you can see here. These are non-OEM PCBs. This particular one is the only one which is OEM or G PCB. Again, the connector looks as if it is original, but compare it with G original connector, is completely molded. Different look, but it deceives as if is original. The fourth one, off-white connector, repaired by different company. Top case is again original from G. Cable connector, molded connector, non-G. Let us put them together. The biomedical engineering manager reported repeated failures and extremely poor performance of Toco tracing with baseline drift. One of the transducer that is original with a G factory serial number is 100%, can be brought back to the original specifications by repairing on component level. Within plus or minus 2 Toco counts for baseline stability. Out of the other 3 transducers, the one which is off-white connector, molded non-OEM, and other 2 which look alike original gray connector, there is no way they can be brought back to G specifications as the PCB is not from G. The plastic resin material used is of far inferior quality with slightly larger diameter pins with non-conformal plating that results galvanic voltage buildup. The leakage current between the pins keep varying, ultimately resulting extremely poor stability of baseline as complained by biomedical engineering manager. At times, the random noise gets amplified and causes erratic Toco waveform tracing. The physical dimension tolerances being large, these molded connectors put a lot of stress on monitor socket, damaging them in short usage or few mating cycles, developing intermittent connection problem, which has been depicted in different other videos posted on YouTube. Without the original G connector PCB assembly and bottom case, there is absolutely no way to get them to work in compliance with G factory specifications seamlessly. No doubt, there is a significantly low cost of repairs in the range of $85 down to $40 depending on service company and what aftermarket parts they use. All non-GE parts they perform, or the trade-off repeated failures amount to spending more money in short span of time as compared to OEM quality repairs or replacement with brand new GE units at first place. The circuit board seen here from one of the repair transducer, there is no way that it can be brought back to GE specifications, as substandard parts, potentiometers, coil is used. The base PCB has a lot of leakage between the tracks. End users get fed up using these kind of transducers, repeatedly adjusting them or repositioning, and does cause great discomfort to expectant mom. One of the biomed technician pointed out that there are some OEM medical devices with molded connector functioning well to respective OEM specs. Then question is why GE Corometrics fetal transducers repaired or compatible units with molded connectors, aftermarket connectors, do not perform well at all. The answer is yes. It is very much possible if the molded connectors are manufactured with exact same or higher manufacturing standard, with precision tooling and using superior plastic resins. In fact, molded connectors can be made far superior as compared to original GE, provided resin uses high performance polymers such as PEEK. PEEK stands for polyether ether ketone. Precision engineering work, tooling, high performance resin and material means the cost will be significantly higher compared to what GE charges, especially when third party company has to run production batches of few thousand units at a time. Cost of the PEEK material is more than 100 times higher compared to generic plastic polymers used for molded connectors, and extremely difficult for injection mold process, adding to the cost factor. These generic molded cable connector assemblies cost in the range of $10 per unit for low volume batch production, whereas a single connector in PEEK material will cost more than $120 each on an average. We at Avron repair GE Corometrics Nautilus Toco and ultrasound transducer, keeping original PCB assembly, and guarantee 100% functional performance to GE factory specifications. Rock solid guarantee that if the client is in doubt, have these repaired OEM transducer tested at GE factory, turn in the report showing deviation in performance parameters to get full refund of repair charges with shipping cost, reimbursement for GE factory testing fees, and on top of that a brand new GE transducer would be ordered as a free compensation towards failure to deliver OEM quality promise. One step ahead, we developed innovative proprietary technology and process that allows us to offer extended warranty over 2 years and lifetime warranty on crystal bonding for ultrasound transducers that eliminates rattling problem forever. And ultimately it brings down the maintenance cost to almost nil, provided the handling care is taken as per instruction manuals or user manuals. Always coil the cable or stretch out them straight completely while usage. That increases the functional lifespan of the transducer. Moreover, it remains absolutely compliant with all the regulations and requirement of the general liability insurance carrier for the hospital or clinic, as well as significant cost savings compared to OEM replacement. Please check out our other videos posted on YouTube channel Toco Expert. Go to nautilustoco.com and contact us for any question that you may have. Thank you for watching this video.